Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right? Eating clean, drinking your water, maybe even trying those fancy supplements, but your body is still betraying you. Your gut issues that won't go away, your skin breakouts that feel like a losing battle, or that stubborn brain fog that makes every day feel like a struggle just to focus. Now, if that sounds familiar, I need to tell you something, and this is what no one else is going to tell you. It's not your fault. Your body has a built-in detox system, your liver and your kidneys, and both of them are designed to cleanse your body. But here's the harsh truth. When they're overloaded, they can't keep up. And when that happens, your body holds on to toxins like a hoarder holding on to clutter. Now, those toxins, they're the silent saboteurs behind your fatigue, your unexplained weight gain, your hormonal chaos, and yes, even your hair loss. If you don't take action, these toxins are going to pile up. That means gut issues like bloating, irregularity or gastritis, skin conditions that make you feel like hiding. There's psoriasis, acne, eczema. Then you have the relentless brain fog and memory struggles that leave you questioning if this is just aging and should you expect this. Then we have hormonal imbalances that mess with your moods, your cycles, and your waistline. And let's not forget chronic fatigue that steals the joy from your life. But here's the good news. I know, is there good news behind everything I just said? There is. You can stop this cycle. A proper detox can do this. A proper detox can help and support your liver and your kidneys to flush out toxins and reset your system. So what you want to do is restore it. Now, imagine waking up with a clear mind, glowing skin, a balanced hormone, and a gut that is functionable. Can you imagine that? It's possible. Now, I know you've heard the lies that detoxing is unnecessary because your body can do it naturally, or just drink some celery juice and you're good to go. But that's a lot of nonsense. If your liver is overloaded, it's like trying to clean your house with a broken vacuum cleaner. It's useless. The truth is, most people are walking around with sluggish, toxic livers, and they don't even know it. So, here's what I want you to do. I want you to sign up for a masterclass that I am about to do real soon. Go sign up. I'm going to teach you all about detoxing and why is it necessary and why you should do this. If you have any of the symptoms and signs that I just described, you never know. Just flushing, giving your liver and kidneys and lymphatic system a helping hand could be the key to your happiness in 2025. So please follow the link, go check out the masterclass, and learn what you need to do to bring in 2025, walking and strutting like you are everything.